Hi everyone, I'm Haru. I just received this huge box of gifted items from Skincation and I thought it would be nice to do a little unboxing together, but first I want to tell you what Skincation is. Skincation is a company based in Germany which sells Korean beauty products. And as you might already know, I'm a huge fan of Korean beauty and makeup, and Skincation makes it much easier for me to get these products and much faster also, because I'm currently based in Germany too, as you might already know, and it's also much better for the environment, of course. So let's start the unboxing of the products first, and this evening I'll try them out in my skincare and give you my review on them. So what have we here? First we have this treatment toner. Oh, I love the packaging. I love this red handwriting. Wow, that's a nice design for this product, and it kind of reminds me of the Miracle toner I've tried once. So okay, this is with Centella asiatica. Then it will be great for my acne. You know, I have acne problems currently, and tea tree and Centella asiatica. This is perfect for acne prone skin, you know. Then we have this Okra Fetal Mucin Skin Booster. And what I like about this is that I can see that this packaging is recycled paper. Okra, I haven't ever tried okra on my skin yet. I've only eaten it a few times. My father loves cooking and eating okra, but I've never tried it on my skin. So I'm totally excited for this one. Wow, this is so huge, and I love the color. It's very light green. It looks so fresh. Wow, I love it. Start your day with the energy of vegetable mucin. Everything's gonna be okra. Okay, everything's gonna be okra. What do we have here? Ah, yes. I asked them for this brand because I really wanted to try it out. Just because I like the aesthetic, actually. It's a very minimal and nice aesthetic, I think. So I was totally interested in it. Let's see how this looks like. Aha. It's a mask. Okay, let's have a look into it. Wow, looks so nice and fresh, and it's kinda sweet. Maybe like sweet coffee or something like that. I love it, very nice. And the last product is from Schwanengarten. Aha, always clean, effective and faithful. Nice. This yellow colored cream. Is it a cream? Yes. It's an antioxidant nourishing cream, yes. Oh, I like the scent. It's like honey and mint together, I'd say. Oh, I like it. It feels, it scents like fresh and good for the skin. You know, I love creams with a nice scent. Hi again. I've just removed my makeup and I'll start my skincare routine now with a cleanser. And after that, I'll use the face mask and go on with the toners and then with the cream. Now let's go on with the basic softening infused mask we have here. This mask contains caffeine and it's said to have a the texture like caramel and to melt like caramel on your face. And this mask strengthens your skin barrier and softens your skin and also moisturizes your skin. So just the perfect mask for me, I'd say. First I need a brush. This one. I always use a brush like this one. So now here we have it again. So always begin with the middle of your face, the nose, and then spread it out with a brush. Just like this. Okay, actually this doesn't really have a thick texture, or it's not like putting something colorful on your skin. It's just like a very thin and lightweight cooling mask, I'd say. Yeah, it feels great, really, like caramel, that's true. Very lightweight. Yes. The corners of my nose are always dry. Since there's caffeine in this mask, I also put it on my under eye bags. And I really can't feel any irritation of my skin, so I think this is great for sensitive skin too. Oh, I think someone wants to come in. Hi Bella, come in my darling. Actually, you look like caramel too. Yeah, very fitting to my mask. Can you wait a little, please, darling? Yes, I'm almost done. Yes, I know. What's wrong with you, darling? Oh my, I'm almost done here. Okay, Bella. Okay, it's okay. I will take you right now. Come on here. Darling, you want to be in the video too? Okay, say hello. Hello, it's me, Bella. Hi everyone. Okay, darling, yes, you're so cute. You're actually so cute, my darling. Okay, see? She looks like caramel too, doesn't she? Such a nice fur color. So now we're done with putting on the face mask, and we'll have to wait like 10 minutes for it to set. And afterwards, we'll come back, wash the mask off, and use the toners. Here I am again to wash off this mask, and I must say it's so refreshing that I think it's much better for using in the morning than in the evening. I think this is the perfect mask for a hot summer day, just to start into the day refreshed, you know, the face feels fresh and a little bit cooled down, you know. I think it will be great for these kind of days, so I'll be using it now that the hotter days are coming. Yes. Okay, let's wash off this mask. Wow. Okay, my skin really feels soft. Oh, it feels like baby skin. That's amazing. I didn't think that it would immediately show an effect, but it does. This is really like a luxury product. Perfect. Okay, now we go on with the toner. I have 2 toners here, and I'll be trying out both, one after another. The first one is this one. This daily purifying treatment toner. Right. It gently exfoliates, removes dead skin cells, balances oil levels and boosts the skin's tone and texture to enhance its natural glow. And as I already said, there's tea tree oil in it and Centella asiatica. I know that these are great against acne-prone skin, and as you can see, I have some pimples here. I can really smell the tea tree oil. Okay, this can be kind of aggressive to your skin, I know that. I've already used tea tree oil a lot on my skin and I like it. It's very good against pimples, but you have to be careful. If you have sensitive skin, it might not be the right product for you. Perfect. And again, we start in the middle of our face, right? And spread it to the outside, like this. I let it sit a little and then I use the next toner. Now let's use this toner. This toner is hydrating and a soothing toner that helps energize, clean and clear tired skin with the addition of okra fruit extract and green herb complex. Hydrate, energize, purify. Perfect. Like this. I think this one doesn't cause irritation, so again it's great for sensitive skin and for dry skin especially, of course. Ah, feels great, very fresh now. We're done with the toners now, and I also put on some lip oil for my dry lips. And then I go on with the last step, which is the cream. And then I can go to sleep finally. Now, our last step is this cream. Antioxidant Nourishing cream, yes. And this cream contains Bacchol, is it Bacchol? I don't know how it's spelled. And squalane. They are known for their anti-aging effects and yes, have a nourishing effect, so this must be a really great cream for my face. Okay, this was this cream which was like honey, or reminds me of honey. This feels great again. But I think this feels more warm. The mask was very cool, and this one, I feel like this is a bit warm on the skin. Oh, but it's melting great. Look how glowing my skin looks. Very glowy. Oh, this is great. And it feels so soft. Okay, I love it. Really, this is perfect. Oh wow. Now it's absorbed. I think you can put this under makeup without problems. Yes. Yes, and with that step, we're done. And yes, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and share. And subscribe, of course, if you haven't yet. And yes, that's it for today. See you guys next time. Bye!